Hello everybody. Now, this part of the electronics syllabus on lower sec design and technology, we mainly focus on the practical side of electronics as well as some components that you may or may not see during your practical session in the D&T lab. So let's begin by talking about soldering. Most of you have done your soldering on your lab units. So this is more like a recap with all of you in terms of the equipment that you have used during the electronics practicals. So why do we do solder? Or why do we do soldering? Like what we mentioned during lesson. All the electronic components are usually joined to one another in the circuit, right, using the means of soldering, right? It's basically to join each other in the electronic circuit board, right? And why is it so that it can be done, right? Because the solder that you use are made up of the metals, alloy of metals or tins and lead, which they can be melted and later on quickly go back to their solid stage once it cool down. And they are very conductive. And because of this nature, we can use this property to actually solder and join all the electronic components together. Before you actually do your soldering, I'm sure all your D&T teachers have talked to you, with you on the safety precaution of what not to do and what to do when you are doing soldering. These are the three most important safety precautions that we always mention or mentioned before. That is, do not touch, right? Do not touch the tips of the soldering iron when it is hot. And also to return the solder iron to its stand where it's not in use, because it's still hot. Place it anywhere, it can burn anyone, it can also catch fire, right? Last but not least, always turn off your solder iron when it's not in use. This is to prevent, because you see, you wouldn't know whether they are turned on or turned off, right? So if you accidentally leave it on and you walk away, what happens here is it could cause fire when it gets overheat. These are also some of the other soldering tools that you may come across during the electronic practical lessons. Of course, we do not need to mention this is the soldering iron set with the soldering stand all together. This is the desoldering tools. Some of you may have used it, some of you may not. If you make a mistake in soldering, and most likely you will need these tools to help you take away those solder and then later on make your adjustment and do the soldering again. This is the wire cutter. This is the long nose plier. And last but not least, the wire stripper.